Some of us are having problem about WhatsApp voice recording. I mean, sometimes when you are trying to send a voice record to someone, and that voice record is so fast, like its speed, and it's not that slow, you don't like it, you understand. I was having this issue as well, but I found out on how to solve the problem. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice recording. If the voice recording is too fast, this is how to do it. It's very simple. But before I show you, please follow me here on my Facebook page, Queen Baby Black. And if you have any other thing that you want me to do for you, like any video you want me to do for you, just write it down in my comment section. If I see your comment, I will reply you back. Okay, so the first thing I will have to do is to go to my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. And okay, so let me play this voice record that I did.
Boats, winter plus cotton, padded, parents' child, swan, boats, waterproof, non-slip, kids shoe, outdoor fashion footwear. I don't know if I'm really correct. So I'm done.
You see, it was so fast, so fast, and I don't like it. Okay, it's so fast. If you send it to someone, it will also play like this. You understand? I don't really like it. I want to change it. If you're in this kind of situation, this is how to do it. So let me play it again. Let me show you.
Boats, winter.
Do you see this place that it is written 2 times? It is written 2 times here. Can you see it? Okay, just look on this arrow. Okay, so this is the place where you will fix it and everything will be fine. So let me touch on this one, these 2 times now. Okay, let's play the voice recording.
Boats, winter plus cotton, padded, parents' child, swan, boats, waterproof, non-slip, kids shoe, outdoor fashion footwear.
Can you see that it is very slow now? Okay, so if you want to make it fast, touch on this one as well. Now it is slow, it is 1 times now. So let's touch on this 1 times. Okay, you see, when you put it on 2 times,
Boats, winter plus cotton, padded, parents' child, swan, boats, waterproof, non-slip, kids shoe, outdoor fashion footwear.
can you see that it is very fast? So that is how to solve this problem. If you have this problem, you don't know how to fix it, it's just simple. It's like this. Okay, it is not hard. All right, so thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate. Like I said before, don't forget to follow me here on my Facebook page. And if you have any other thing you want me to do for you, any video at all you want me to do for you, comment it down below and I will reply you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.